If you are a pumpkin spice lover, these are the muffins for you. You'll love the spice forward flavor and the perfect light and fluffy texture, and this crumble on top filled with pecans. It's just the best. They're my favorite muffins to make in the fall, so let's get started. The first thing we'll make is the crumble for the topping because we want to give it time to kind of dry out so it stays nice and clumpy. We'll start, if I can get this paper off, by melting some butter. Pop this in the microwave for a second. Flour. I'm going to use the weight measurements. Perfect. And then some brown sugar. I'm going to use a fork to mix these together first. Keeps it kind of chunky. Or streusel is maybe a better word. And then we'll stir in the pecan chips. You can buy them finely chopped or you can just chop them yourself. Once it's combined and looking like streusel, I like to kind of spread it out and then we'll just set it aside. So like I said, it's gonna kind of dry up and be a delicious topping. Let's mix up these muffins now. First, I'm gonna mix the dry ingredients in a separate bowl just to make sure they all get incorporated and then we don't overmix the muffin dough. So we'll start with our flour. I'm gonna use the weight measurements. So if you have a kitchen scale, I highly recommend using it. Some baking soda and baking powder. Both will contribute to our nice light and fluffy texture. We got salt. Where did I put my salt? Fine sea salt, pumpkin pie spice. Oh, it smells so good. And then I like to add, this is the recipe. I add extra cinnamon, because why would you not? Make it super spice forward. And then our sugars are also going in. Just gonna mix this together. Already smells like fall in here. Now let's get the wet ingredients going. So the first thing is we're gonna melt some more butter. So I've got a whole stick here. I'm gonna put it right in the bowl. With the butter melted, I'm gonna add the pumpkin puree and the applesauce. Boy, what comes out of my mouth sometimes. Both add a really good moisture, and I am gonna whisk them in first since the melted butter is hot. They'll help cool it down so that the eggs don't cook. And we'll add in a little vanilla right now too. Just measure that with your heart. All right, now I'm gonna crack these eggs in. Very unprofessionally, I'm gonna do it right into the batter. Whisk those in. So we're gonna put the dry ingredients into the wet. And then we're gonna stir them just until they're combined. All right, time to fill our muffin tins. I love to use a scoop to make things easy. And just fill the muffin tins almost all the way full. Ooh, now for the best part, the crumble topping. So just divide the crumble evenly across all the muffins here. And then I like to just pat it on there so that it really sticks as the muffins rise. Oh, they're already looking so good. Let's go pop them in the oven. Do they smell so good? So transfer them to a cooling rack. And then you can just wait and see how long you can hold off before you have a warm muffin. All right, let's dig in. I'm dying to try this. That texture, holy cow. They're so moist. The pumpkin spice flavor is just right, and that crumble on top is so good. You've definitely got to make these. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think once you try them, and I will see you back here next week for another meatless meal or breakfast that everyone will love. Until then, happy eating. They're so good. Be sure you leave a I should just probably organize my life and then I gotta be serious now. I can't, you're laughing.